Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How quiet it is, man. I mean, oh, I cut the grass at 100% throttle. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mo here. It is time to enjoy flying the OMP Hobby M2 3D RC helicopter. I have already posted a very detailed indoor review about this helicopter, describing all of its features and what makes it one of the most superior mini 3D RC helicopters. I'll upload my Futaba setup with M2 helicopter video before the maiden flight video. Now for the maiden flight, well, there's still a lot of tweaking to do. So what I'm gonna do now is fly the M2 for the very first time outside and see how it performs, tweak the settings, and once I'm satisfied with the settings, once I see everything is working properly, we will try to perform some of the 3D stunts, okay? All right, let's fly this baby, have a maiden flight, and the best place to fly mini 3D helicopters maiden flight is this grassy area. I hope I don't crash. I'm not in mood of crashing. I still have a lot of tweaking to do, okay? So let's see how it goes. Still have all right, everything's look good, and take off. Wow, how quiet it is. Oh my god, how quiet it is, man. I mean, can you believe that? Look at this thing, mashallah. And man, how stable it is. The stabilization system is on at the moment. It is really stable, and the way stabilization system is performing, see how it auto levels. As soon as I leave the stick, it auto levels. Shows how good the helicopter stabilization is for beginners to actually fly it. Well, they cannot be total beginner, I'm telling you. They have to be, you know, some experience. What a beautiful machine it is, man. Sweet. I haven't turned on the pane yet. I think I should have installed the you know, little kind of beeper. Gyro lock is really solid, man. In stabilized mode, I am having fun flying it around. It's absolutely a beautiful performer here, man. I have about 3.7 volt in each cell, and I don't want to torture the battery too much. I have 5 batteries, so plenty of batteries. And I love the way you can basically install the batteries. Just slide it in and it locks. Awesome, right? And just pull this lock a little bit outside and the battery slides out. And battery can also be secured with this Velcro right here. And of course the tray itself has a very nice Velcro. So let me just move the battery slightly backward, okay? So that it doesn't disturb the CG. Otherwise, I found the helicopter just keeps moving forward itself slowly. And also you need to make sure the battery is not touching the motor, okay? This is very, very important. You don't want your battery to blast during the flight, okay? So let's initialize. There you go. Wait for it. No gear sounds, no gear grinding. Nice and sweet, quiet helicopter. Okay, you see it doesn't jump that much when switching to, you know, aerobatics mode or idle up. It doesn't jump that much. Punches are good, but I feel that the way I want my punches, they have to be very close to the center so I can control it right. Otherwise, I am giving too much input before helicopter actually gets up. Ah, man. The power and the punch. Oh. So let me set my pitch curves according to my taste. Hold on, because I like the helicopter to behave. Oh man, the adrenaline is just filling in now. I like the helicopter to, you know, respond just very close to the middle of the sticks. So one moment. All right, in the middle I have changed the curves. Basically, I could have changed the expo as well, and that could have done the job, but hey, I'm tweaking and seeing which way I will feel better. Okay, feels a little better now. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Response close to the center stick. Okay, lost it almost. You know, the thing with the smaller helis or mini helis is they are very agile, and to do the 3D with them, you have to be you have to be very, very careful. And also the visibility counts, you know. Also the visibility counts. I see the tail is wobbly on. Oh, I lost the power right there. Maybe battery is dying. Yeah, let me change the battery. There we go. Oh. I cut the grass, my very first grass cutting. Tail is still wagging at 100% throttle. Okay, that is nice. Sweet, man. I gotta control my adrenaline now. It's just too much adrenaline just came inside me. I don't want to crash it, because once you're too filled with adrenaline, you will make mistakes. Man, did you see that 100% throttle? Ah, man, that was some power there. I mean, I can tell you that was some sweet power there. Nah, don't do 3D too close to yourself. Not a good idea. Whew. Man, absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning 3D performance. This power is pure evil brushless power that is going into the main rotor. I have never flown a mini helicopter with that high head speed. This thing is absolutely crazy. My skills are nowhere close to match what this M2 helicopter is capable of doing and performing. Oh man, whew. I am really filled with adrenaline. This thing on full throttle is absolutely one of the craziest 3D helicopters I've ever put my hands on. Honestly speaking, I am going back home now, straight to flight simulator, so I can polish my skills, come back and have more fun with my OMP Hobby M2 helicopter. Thank you very much, OMP Hobby. There's a 7 days Chinese National Day holidays. Well, congratulations China for another great year past and one more year China aged. So congratulations to all Chinese people for a wonderful national holidays and national day. And these 7 days, nothing is moving, nothing is happening. So I will be polishing my skills and I will be having fun with my M2 mini 3D helicopter, inshallah. And if you really want to get the craziest mini 3D helicopter out there, you're looking at it. OMP Hobby M2, definitely. Man, I wish I had 4 thumbs. 2 thumbs, double 2 thumbs up. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?